100. So in Bemba, 10 is ikumi limo. 20 is amakumi yabili. 30 is amakumi yatatu. 40 is amakumi yane. 50 is amakumi dune, or rather amakumi yasano. 60 is amakumi danda. 70 is amakumi chinelubali. 80 is amakumi chine konse konse. 90 is amakumi pabula. And lastly, 100 is umwanda umo. So we can see from the pattern from 1 to 90 is that ikumi refers to a fist, which is 10. And then the first part from 20 to 90 starts with amakumi. Then following after, if you look at 10, is ikumi limo. So imo means 1. 20, amakumi yabili. So yabili means 2. Yatatu, 3. Yane, 4. Yasano, 5. So as you go on, you just have to look at what the digits name, like for 6, 7, 8, and 9 is. And then at 100, the name changes to umwanda, omo. So if I wanted to say 200, I would say imyanda, ibidi. That's like 200s. Similarly, 300 would be imyanda itatu. That's 300. Thank you for watching.